Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going into an item I purchased for my 2020 Kia Telluride, and that is going to be the Maxliner floor mats. They're the Smartliner division of Maxliner. So these will be linked down in the description for anybody with a Kia Telluride watching this. I do have a section for the Kia Telluride now for items that I've purchased and used or plan on purchasing, so they're there for you. So, like I said, this is the Maxliner or Smartliner. Whatever you see the name as on Amazon, it's the same company. It's Maxliner, just the Smartliner is the design that they use for these specific types of mats. And this is going to be a plastic mat. If you can see this, I don't know, it is made in Thailand. Even though it is called Maxliner USA or whatever, it's designed and everything in the USA, made in Thailand. Seems to be very durable. It's a flexible plastic, almost rubbery feel. Decent thickness. It's definitely going to be very durable and much better than the fabric floor mats, like the driver's floor mat that I have over here. Boop. So the package I received, or the kit that I purchased, is the front row, second row, and then I have captain's chairs in the second row. So it does have the aisleway between the seats, and it does have a path that goes to the third row and connects all as one piece. So that is the one I got, which runs roughly $170. And then if you get the kit with the small back section, your cargo area behind the third row seat, if you get the small piece, all as a kit, it's going to be $255. And then with the large piece, being that you have the third row folded down all the time, and you want that big cargo area cover, it's going to be $280 for the set. And then you can also buy these kits individually, but you'll save money. Like if you just want the small back piece, it's $90. I do want it, but I couldn't justify spending that much all at once. So this is the kit I got, and then later on I'll get the back piece as well. But we're going to get this installed today, and I'm just going to quickly show you the difference in between the new driver's side mat and the one that comes in the Telluride, if you don't already get the upgraded rubber mats when you purchase your vehicle. So there's nothing wrong with these mats. They are durable. They do have the locks at the bottom when you slide it in place. It does have a little patch here that says Telluride on it. It is a durable cloth material, but the downside to cloth is it's going to absorb water and dirt and grime and stuff, and they're just much more of a hassle to keep clean than your kind of all-weather mats, where it's a plastic or rubberized material, and it does stay in place very well. But then over time, you're going to get the wear from your heel for the accelerator over here and everything. So yes, they're nice, but they're much more of a pain to clean, and in the long run they're just not going to last as long. So that's a quick look at the original cloth floor mat. You can kind of see the logo, Maxliner, Max Floor Mat, the phone number and website. Then you can see they have the same locking locations, so you can still lock it into place. And it's much more formed around the design of the vehicle. So we're going to install these and see how well they fit to the vehicle. I've actually had this big section laid out for 2 days now. It says, I think, 30 to 60 minutes to let it reform from packaging, but I'm guessing you're going to need quite a bit of heat to get it back to its original shape. But I think installing it also will help get it back to that shape that it needs to be. As you can see, there's kind of a crease in it here and everything, but let's go ahead and get it installed and see what it's like. I'm gonna go ahead and see how easy it is to install this driver's side floor mat, and then I'll bring you in for a closer look so you can really see the fitment of it all, and then we'll get them all installed and take a look. Okay, so that's it installed here. Go ahead and bring you in for a closer look. Here it is. As you can see, it fits really nicely. Here it's kind of tight up against here, I would say, the kick panel, but overall it fits really nicely. The locks were good. It was a little harder getting this one over here. It was off by, I'd say, 1/4 of an inch, but you can get it. But let me go ahead and get the rest of them installed and we'll take a look. Alright, so we'll go ahead and start off with the passenger side. Here's all the old floor mats out of here. Here's what the passenger side looks like. It actually fits really well. It is a little high over here. It's almost like their design's just a little bit bigger than the actual areas, as if you can kind of see what I mean. And I think over time it will settle and take better shape. But overall, it looks really nice, and it's going to protect it way more than the cloth ones. If anybody spills any drinks or anything like that, such as my son or wife, will be good. Moving into the back, which was actually much easier to install than I thought. I figured with one big piece it would be kind of a pain, but it wasn't too bad. So looking over here, you kind of see this, which, like I was saying, over time I think it will take better shape, but overall the fitness is still really good. And then the aisleway. My son's car seat. Protected all the way into the rear. And this will take some time to settle as well. You know, it's just from being folded up in a box, so for just being laid in here, it fits really well. I think the main thing is just giving it time to form to the vehicle. Overall, I am very happy with it. I hope you guys can see everything just fine. But please let me know your guys' thoughts. I think price-wise, it's good for a fitted mat. I mean, obviously, yes, they're expensive, but that's what you get for fitted mats. They're not going to be cheap. So I think it's going to protect very well and save a lot of time on cleaning. So once again, if you guys enjoyed, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you guys have these floor liners or any others that you suggest. As always, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. See you guys in the next one.